Hi, my name is Ashutosh. I'm an engineer here at Mecwin. Now today we'll talk about BLDC drone motors. So you have seen all these drones fly in sky super smoothly, right? So have you ever wondered what makes it happen? It's these powerhouses, BLDC drone motors. We import the CAD cross section into simulation software, set the steel, magnet and winding design, then check back EMF, torque, speed, efficiency, current ripples, NVH and thermal performance. Once validated with the customer, we move to product development. Now, if you open one up, mechanically it's built really smart. Now this stator sheet, it is made up of thin laminated silicon steel and with a tight copper winding to reduce the eddy losses. The rotor holds neodymium magnets and the drones, we mostly use outrunner motors. So the motor out casing spins along with the propeller, as you can see. The high quality ball bearing makes it rotates with almost no resistance. Basically, here is the principle. The coils create a magnetic field and the rotor's magnet chase that field and the propeller spins. Now by adjusting the frequency and the amount of current, we can change motor speed, torque and even direction. And because it's a brushless motor, there is a minimum wear tear and less heat and way better efficiency compared to old brushed motors. That's exactly why drones rely on BLDC motors. And here's the thing, at Mecwin we don't just explain how the motor works. We design and develop them, from ideas to applications. So if you are working on your next big innovation, you know who to contact for your motor needs. For more information, contact Mecwin Technologies India Private Limited.